Station 51, 52, 53, Medic 8, Medic 9, Station 6, Station 19, Station 33. New Hanover County Engine 12 and Wilmington respond. Delta response, explosion. 1312 Suncrest Way, 1312 Suncrest Way. She-Com clear, 1395. TAC 4, TAC 4. 4, TAC 4. Station 13, Canterville Inner Response Authority is 1300, reference residential explosion, 1312 Suncrest Way in Leland. She-Com clear, 19.
10-4, I'll be en route.
10-4.
Be on TAC 4.
It's residential explosion at 1312 Suncrest Way. 1312 Suncrest Way receiving multiple reports of a residence or townhouse explosion, possibly someone inside. TAC 4 on scene.
She-Com Battalion 5 is on the scene. Multi-family residence. Appears to be a major explosion. Got debris field a long way from the house. Battalion 5's got command.
10-4.
She-Com showed 1972 and 1974.
She-Com 674 response.
674.
1561 She-Com, I'll be 1023 with fire.
1561.
She-Com showed 672 en route.
670.
1530 to the next couple of units that arrive on Suncrest. Go and try to cordon off an area, keep people away from it.
In the middle. Chief, do you copy on 4?
Yeah, I got you on TAC 4 now.
TAC 5. I got multiple units. No obvious fire yet. I'm not at roof 60 of this building and give you further. I got a line on the ground right at the alpha side.
1575.
We're going to try to get around from the other side.
You're right.
Just go ahead.
She-Com, New Hanover Engine 12.
New Hanover Engine 12, stand by. Suncrest Command, go ahead.
She-Com, we need emergency management ASAP.
10-4. New Hanover County Engine 12, go ahead.
Show us responding. What's the attack channel for this?
TAC 4, TAC 4. 10-4.
What's on the thing? She-Com, Suncrest, wait command. Cancel.
Neighborhood. Plan.
Good.
10-4. Have PD advising go to the back of the house. They've located a victim.
She-Com, I'll be 1023.
1532.
We got anybody working on gas yet?
I'm with the victim. Command Engine 51 from Butterfly established.
Got anybody working on gas yet? And also, we're going to start forcing entry on the alpha side of these unknown apartments.
You need county EM, not your EM.
I need a member from County EM to report out here. Also, contact New Progress Energy. That's in what we got. Tell them we need a representative ASAP.
10-4.
36, 1023.
1536.
Address and start blocking traffic.
Copy, Suncrest is shut down.
Still transporting to Seacoast.
She-Com, yes, yes, ma'am, if you will, clear myself and the other units from that special assignment at Odell Williamson. If you will show myself an ES4 en route to get the MAV headed to Leland.
Okay.
10-4.
Crest block off.
10-4, I just need somebody to be at the front of this residence to keep out people out of the debris fields, and somebody to the back of the residence as well.
35 red on front. She-Com, Suncrest wait.
Last unit for advice.
Suncrest commander. Contact City of Wilmington. Tell them that we need their use of our team.
5271 Battalion. Correction, I see 10-9 your request for Wilmington.
Contact City of Wilmington. Let them know what we have. Tell them we need their use of our team. USA or.
Copy USAR team, thank you.
1531 She-Com 1023.
1531.
She-Com 3363 we respond.
Last New Hanover County unit on the radios. Repeat your traffic, please.
1583.
En route to the Suncrest.
10.
We're working towards the exploded apartment through the wall with engine 53.
1974 is arrival to come.
1974.
3373 arriving.
Copy.
1505 1020.
1505.
3376 en route.
10-4.
He's over here.
1900, She-Com.
1900.
I'm going to be assisting Battalion 5 with accountability.
Battalion 5 from 504, you on TAC?
Good.
Do you have a company come around to the Charlie side with a tick?
Firemen also, they're making entry from the front.
Yeah. I'm going to go through the Charlie side.
1900, She-Com.
1900.
Make a note that laws going to be established in the inner and outer perimeter.
1953.
Broadcast all medical or fire or law personnel inside the inner perimeter need to have on steel toe shoes.
For confirming all subjects inside the perimeter need to have on steel-toed shoes.
10-4, there's debris and nails all over the place. She-Com.
Engine 12. Command truck 51 driver.
Go ahead on tack.
669's in a row.
Copy, you cleared 1313.
Affirmative.
All companies, command, do we need to switch over to now? All companies, concept, but switch over to fireground. Command all companies on the scene, switch over to fireground now and acknowledge.
CCOM, that's going to be map 1. We're going to be en route to Leland. 10-4, copy.
1900, CCOM.
1900.
For all incoming units, firefighter Rodriguez will have the accountability board. He will be at engine 5371, which is Leland's white engine that's on scene.
10-4, all incoming units direct. CCOM, Suncrest Lake, command.
CCOM, go ahead.
10-4, confirming contact number for the USAR team.
Map 1.
Map 1.
We're going to be standing down, returning to service, returning to quarters.
10-4.
It's working up now. We'll try to get it to you shortly.
10-4, we've also gotten by 21 requesting copy truck 1 on scene. G5, New Hanover County 911's requesting a contact for USAR. Your contact number.
Copy 910. CCOM 910.
CCOM 1395 on scene.
10-4.
151.
Negative.
Okay. I'm putting the crew together now to head that way. I'll let you know shortly.
10-4.
400.
13 route south.
When you're not 10-6, can you check with New Hanover for North End standby?
Confirming, I heard 700 earlier saying they were getting the crew ready to head up here for standby for other calls.
10-4, that's correct.
Simple. Landvale Road Station.
10-4, copy the Landville Road Station.
Hey, CCOM.
10-4.
605, CCOM. If Station 6 does have an engine crew standing by, if we need to move.
CCOM, ladder 3360.
10-4.
Is he coming over to Brunswick?
We want Station 7 starts heading in this direction. Just go ahead and respond to the scene.
10-4.
10-4, Delta 10. This is Law 2, Brunswick County.
10-4. We got a request for a bomb squad. Can you give me a point of contact?
10-4, is this Delta 10 from New Hanover? 10-4, what's your phone number? I'll pass it on.
910.
10-4, I'll have him give you a call.
10-4. We did speak to a battalion chief. I guess with emergency management, he advised there was no need. We just get some confirmation.
10-4, I'll have the sergeant with Leland PD give you a call.
10-4, thank you. Are we the New Hanover?
10-4, CCOM 1530.
30.
Occurred with New Hanover County. It was Delta 10 with New Hanover County Bomb Squad requesting the 21, sending his info to your pager.
The Suncrest traffic.
1532 to Leland units on Suncrest Way. Do you need additional?
Negative. Medic 4 to 100. Did you got a message for us? You got cut out.
10-4, so start towards 21117, please.
10-4.
376 arrives.
3376.
CCOM says 675 in a route.
675.
Brunswick County, this is New Hanover 22. Need advise where you want us to stand by.
675, confirm your right to stand by.
Become New Hanover, Engine 22. You're both stand by at River Road and Village Road.
Copy, River and Village.
Denver, thank
10-4, CCOM direct.
CCOM's direct.
One's going to be moving towards the Leland area for standby.
10-4.
669 on tack 4.
50.
51.
Copy 51.
Good for.
10-4.
82.
582.
Put me en route to that traffic. What TAC channel are we on?
TAC 4, TAC 4.
582 checking in on TAC 4 command. 773 is en route to Leland 53.
773.
We're going to be cleared this call. Can you turn this unit off, you can, please?
10-4.
CCOM 1532.
32.
We've had multiple parties requesting 21's reference this traffic, being residences. Do you want me to send their info to your pager?
10-4, I'll give each one of them a call.
10-4, thank you. Give me just a moment. 1531.
Send me 10-8-K-4 from last. If you want to send a couple of those numbers to my pager, I'll assist as well.
10-4, thank you, sir.
Medic 100. Medic 100.
Go ahead, 100.
Second E1 E21 request. Seems going to be from New Hanover Emergency Department.
10-4. Use 2.
ES4 and ES8 call scene at Suncrest.
10-4.
CCOM EM1.
EM1.
I've been en route for about 7.
Medical in progress with us on Main Street.
10-4.
CCOM says 675 arrival at station.
675.
Over Engine 22.
Go ahead. 22.
675 on St. 4.
14 CCOM, if you would have on-call item control, give me a 21, please.
10-4.
Charlie is 23.
10-4.
In front of, Greensview Circle.
43.
43. Are you at the entrance when you pull off of Grand Floor into Greensview?
10-4.
10-4. As of right now, if they're not a resident, don't live back here, don't let them in.
10-4, yeah, we got it shut down. 241.
Decom there, average 22. We're arrival on scene. Subject denies the need for EMS. We're available. Stand by River and Village.
10-4. I'm Charlie 11. Charlie 11, June 22.
1900, CCOM.
1900.
Has Station 7 moved up to Leland Station on Landville yet?
We have 773 en route.
10-4. 675 is going to be leaving the scene, and they're going to be going to standby